Welcome to the new series Chemistry with Cats. Let me introduce you to sodium. Sodium is one of the most important chemical elements. Sodium is a metal, it has a gray color and silvery shine. It's also a relatively soft metal and it can be cut with a steel knife. Sodium is a highly reactive element. It reacts easily with water, acids, halogens, carbon dioxide, and many other compounds. It reacts violently with water, causing explosions and forming sodium hydroxide. Sodium easily reacts with carbon dioxide from the air, forming a firm coat of sodium carbonate. Sodium reacts with chlorine and sodium chloride is formed. Sodium chloride is an essential nutrient for people. Sodium chloride makes the ocean water taste salty, but you shouldn't drink it because it contains too much salts and it's bad for your health. Sodium hydroxide forms salts with fatty acids. These acids are derived from plant oils, for example, palm oil, corn oil, olive oil, coconut oil and sunflower oil, and also animal fats. These salts are called soaps and they help us to be clean. In order to put out a sodium fire, you should use a special fire extinguisher and you mustn't use water because it can cause an explosion. That's all for today, see you next time. Please be safe. Bye.